This is a 2009 Honda CR-V. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. Features include a multi-link rear suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a CD player, an electronic throttle, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. This Honda has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
DCHK Honda is conveniently located at 200 Route 36 in Eatontown. Contact us today to find out about our financing specials or visit us at dchkhonda.com.